Okay, today we're going to learn how to find the interior angles of a polygon. You already know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. And if you think about it, if you needed to figure out the sum of the interior angles of a square or a rectangle, all four of the angles are 90. So this is 360 degrees. Okay. But how we move on to our other shapes, I can start off by showing you with this rectangle. If we create the smallest number of triangles inside the shape as we can, for instance, by drawing that line I now have 2 triangles, and I can't create any less than that. Each triangle has 180 degrees in it. So for instance, a quadrilateral or a rectangle or a square, 180 plus 180 is 360. So we're going to use this method of drawing the smallest number of triangles we can inside a shape to figure out the total sum of the angles inside the polygon. This one's a pentagon. So I'm going to draw this diagonal, and now I have one triangle and I've got to make the fewest number of triangles I can. So I think I will draw right here. And it looks like 3 is the smallest number of triangles that I can make. So 180 degrees times 3, right? Because we've got 180, 180, 180. And we have 0, 4, 5, 540 degrees for a pentagon. Okay, and we'll do one more example. We'll do a hexagon. One triangle. 2 triangles. Looks like we can make one more. Can draw one more line, which creates 4 triangles within the shape. So 180 times 4, 720 degrees in a hexagon. We can continue to do this with any shape, an octagon, a decagon, dodecagon, anything, and we're going to come up with this relationship. The number of sides will be one of our columns. The number of triangles that fit. And then the sum of the interior angles. Okay, so we already had a triangle had 3 sides. It's only one triangle. That's 180 degrees. A quadrilateral had 4 sides. That's 2 triangles, or 360 degrees. A pentagon had 5 sides. It fits 3 triangles inside of it with 540 degrees. And a hexagon is a 6-sided shape that fits 4 triangles inside of it for a total of 720 degrees. If we look at the relationship here between the number of sides and the number of triangles that fit, it's always 2 less. So this is how they come up with the formula for you for the sum of the interior angles of a polygon as 180 times n minus 2. And that n is the number of sides on your shape. Okay? So for a triangle, we plug a 3 in here. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 times 180 is 180. For a quadrilateral, we'd plug a 4 in right here. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 180 is 360, and so on. And this formula is going to work for you for any polygon.